How to make some chicken in oyster sauce. Seasoned my chicken overnight, season yours however you want. I use chicken thighs, added a little coconut oil in my pot, and I'll be adding my seasoned chicken thighs to cook for at least 15 minutes. On the side, I did some scallion, bell peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, pimento seed on the side, and I'll be making this dinner with some bulgur instead of rice. Bulgur has calories, but it is on the lower end. I did not feel for any rice. As a Jamaican, I think we're always eating rice. Quick and easy dinner idea. Here I have my veggies chopped, and I'll be adding my aromatics and my veggies in. Look how much water is in the chicken. I did not add chicken broth. This is American style chicken, and it was not frozen when I seasoned. These chicken are being pumped with so much, and that's liquid that I eventually had to throw some off. Now I used a whole bottle of oyster sauce. Did not use any other food coloring. Added in my aromatics and my veggies in and allowed to cook for another 15 minutes. Now, because I'm not looking for gravy on this, I'm doing this a little on the dry side. I did not add any paste or anything to thicken the gravy. I did not want any gravy on this. For my chicken, I seasoned with smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper. Feel free to add sauce if you want. However, the oyster sauce already has seasonings in it, and you don't want your chicken to be too salty. Once my aromatics and my veggies are added, then I allow this to cook for another 20 minutes. I don't like my veggies too soft. If you like yours softer, then you can cook yours longer. Chicken thighs in oyster sauce, and it had a little gravy on the bottom, but not a lot because I was not expecting a lot. Quick and easy dinner recipe that you can run to. You too can experiment and look at my bulgur. Bulgur is more like quinoa. It is in that family. It tasted really, really good, really quick and delicious meal. When compared to eating rice and peas or white rice, it tasted really, really good. And as I mentioned, there are calories in this bulgur. However, it is on the lower side. A girl meal, look turned up. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, share the videos. Don't be mean. It's free. Share my videos for free, and I thank you if you've ever chosen to share one of my videos on your page. I'm not sure why you guys are so shy or you don't want to share me out. Did some Brussels sprouts, oven roasted on the side, and voila, there's dinner. Grab a plate. Don't forget to like, share, follow. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this Sunday dinner. Being a Jamaican, people just feel like Jamaicans just always eat rice and peas. No, this girl experiments and I do different dishes. So please check my channel out, like, subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment and share my video. Catch you in another video soon. Thank you all for your support. Grab yourself a dish or a plate, and you too should try this quick and easy dinner recipe done under an hour. Bye.